back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and today I have a Tribe Beauty Box unboxing for you. So the Tribe Beauty Box is a bi-monthly subscription, so that means you get it basically every other month. So my last box was December, then I'm getting a February box. My next box will be in April. Yes. So it is $34.99 and you get a certain amount of items. So there's 5 items. They're all listed on this card, same as BoxyCharm, but the difference is they have 2 versions. So they have like a box A and a box B depending on one of the items that you get to select. So this February box, I was able to choose either between the Beauty Blender or the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. And I chose the Beauty Blender because I've already had that Bum Bum Cream, I'm pretty sure, in a BoxyCharm box a few months back or even like years back. So I wanted to get something different, and I've never had a Beauty Blender before because I use Real Techniques. So I got that box and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So the first thing that I have in this box is this Beauty Blender, which is the Electric Violet. They retail at $20. So I like to get the Real Techniques just because you can actually get like a pack of 4 for about $10 or $11 and they work really well. But this is what this Beauty Blender looks like. I will use it today when I do my makeup to see if I like it better than the Real Techniques. So we shall see. The next item I have is this U oil. It's acai, fig, and marula oil. It says antioxidants complex. Let's see what this does for us. It says this ultra strength antioxidant serum addresses all aspects of skin aging, firmness, tone, texture, and hydration. It provides immediate, long-lasting hydration, promotes the production of collagen, and improves skin elasticity for a more youthful, radiant skin. This retails for $42. Okay, so apply 3 to 4 drops on a freshly cleansed face alone or before your moisturizer. I already put on my Curology moisturizer, but let's just try some. It says 3 to 4 drops. This is how I put my drops on. I just kind of rub it in like that. Boom. Ew. It has kind of like a smell. I don't like it. I don't like the smell. But this doesn't feel bad. It does feel like oily, but it's an oil. Yeah, I don't like that smell. What? Okay. Alright, so we have that on. I hope that like works. I'm gonna keep using it, but I don't like the way it smells, so. Alright, the next thing I have is the Linnmon Cosmetics eyelighters. So these are, let's see, liquid eyeshadows. Okay, so these are 2 liquid eyeshadows. They retail for $19 each. I got the color Dreamer and Femme Fatale. So let's see. This is Femme Fatale. I feel like I'm yelling at the camera. Let me talk quieter. And this is Dreamer. Okay. I don't know how I'll use these, but I don't use liquid eyeshadows on my eyes. I usually turn them into like eyeliners, so that's probably where they will be most used by me. The next thing I have is this Luxie Beauty 588 Angled Contour Face Brush. This retails for $18. Let's see. So this is for like liquid or cream contour. I don't know how I feel about this brush. I do like all the other Luxie Beauty brushes that I have, but I'll have to see how I like this one, and I'll try it out. So again, that's $18. All right, and the last item in the box, I was saving this for last. is an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Be Bella Shades of Roses palette. It retails for $12. It looks like this. Ooh. Okay. Alright, so this is the palette. Let's go ahead and swatch some colors. So I really like this color down here, which is called Pleasure. I'm gonna try Lust. I might do a look with Pleasure and Lust. Ooh, and let's try Romance. I don't think I'm gonna do glitter today. And let's try this Rossetti. Or is it Rosette? Okay, so this is Rossetti. This will be Pleasure. This will be Romance. And then we have, oops, swatching the wrong one again. Okay, Lust. Okay. And let's swatch. Let me clean off my hands first. They have a couple of glitter shades, so I'm gonna swatch those glitter shades and see what they're like. Okay, so we're gonna swatch Daring, which looks like a shimmer shade. That's really pretty. Okay, and then Mi Amor is that gold glitter. Ooh. And it looks like it's glitter, but it also has like little, what is that? Like, you can't see it, but look at that. Okay, and then we're gonna swatch XO. These glitters actually feel nice. So that's XO. So I'm gonna use this palette today, and we're gonna go ahead and get into the second part of this video, which is me trying this eyeshadow and creating a look. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, I'm back. My eyes are prepped. Now, before we get into this eyeshadow look, make sure that you subscribe to the channel right now. Okay, subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you any money, and then you don't miss any videos that I have coming out. And I have a lot of videos coming out for you. So, subscribe. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. I think I want to not go the obvious direction and do a bold look. So I'm gonna stay away from, I think I'm gonna stay away from this area down here, because when I first saw the palette, I was automatically ready to start going into these shades right here and creating like a bold look. But I do have to keep in mind, today I have a meeting and I will be on camera. I'm on camera every day, but this meeting, depending on who I'm having a meeting with, I try to keep it toned down. So we're gonna go into Divine and try, so it's pigmented because I can already see this color. It looks like light in this palette and you would think it wouldn't show up, but it's showing up. Okay, so I packed it on. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. Let me pack it on. All right, and now I'm going to take this color Daring. I'm going to try to take it on a brush first, see how that looks. Of course, it doesn't pop enough. I'll use my finger. I'll try wetting the brush. However, I can get the best color payoff. So. Using my finger seems like the best option, so I'll use my finger. Okay, I'm kind of taking the glitter or the shimmer shade all the way across my lid. And then I'm going to go ahead and we are going to, trying to stay away from here. So I'm gonna take this color again, Divine, and just kind of pat that. Just feel like I should be doing more because I'm used to doing more. So I'm gonna stop there because I said I was going to try to do a different look. So nothing too bold, just something soft, neutral. And if I stop here, I've accomplished that. So I'm gonna go ahead, go off, finish my face, put my eyeliner mascara on. Then I will come back and I will tell you what the total value of this box is. Be right back. All right, so this is the finished look. Very toned down, very neutral, very wearable. So, the February In Love With Me Tribe Beauty Box. I really liked the shade of Roses palette. I did attempt to use the Beauty Blender, but it felt like it was picking up more than it was putting down, so I went to my Real Techniques. I don't see myself using that again in the future. I'm going to keep using this Acai Fig Marula oil and see if that does anything, but I already have a lot of stuff that I received in my BoxyCharm box for the premium. I got a lot of skincare, and I just have a lot of skincare in general with the Curology. So if I get any more skincare, I'm probably going to have to start like passing on, giving it away, because I can only use so much on my face. These eyeliners, they're okay. I tried to use it in my inner corner, but it wasn't giving me enough. So I don't know how I'm gonna use these. I might see if I can use them as a liquid eyeliner, but I really don't like liquid eyeshadows. So we'll see how that works. I'll test them out again at some point. Let's see, was there anything else? The brush, I did not end up using this brush today. I'm going to wash it first, and then I'll try to use it when I'm doing like a cream contour or something and see how that goes for me. But my favorite thing in this box was the eyeshadow palette. I kept it neutral on my lower lash line as well, and I just used this Divine color. The eyeliner and my waterline, actually I used the Tarte eyeliner that I just got in my BoxyCharm. I'm really liking that. I think the retail value on that was $20, so I'm thinking I'm gonna start making that a regular purchase when I run out. Okay, so the box cost is $34.99 bi-monthly, and the value of this box was $130. So you do get your money's worth. You get to try a lot of different products. So we had a makeup brush, we had a liquid eyeshadow, we had like, you know, skincare, we had an eyeshadow palette, and then we had a beauty blender. So we had all different kinds of products to test out, and it's a good way to see what you like and what you don't like, so that way you're not spending, you know, too much money on some of these things. So some of these things can be pretty costly if you're just buying them on your own. But let me know what you think of this video. Make sure you subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching.